Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of a vault on 1Password. So to do that, you want to go ahead and either click on the gear of the vault. As you can see them from your home page, you'll be able to find the gear. And by clicking the gear, it's going to take you over to the details of the vault. Alternatively, you can click on the vault on the left side. It's going to take you over to this page where you find the vaults, and you can click on the vault and it's going to do the same. So you have both approaches you can take to actually reach to the same page of the details of the vault. Now here you can see it says edit details, and you can click on that. Here you can change the name of the vault. So let's say I want to call this test 2, but I want to call this tested, for example, and just leave it as that. And I want to basically copy the same and put it in a description as well. Then click and save. That's how I can quickly, let's say, change the name of my vault. And of course, I can add my description if I so desire. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.